guys, I hope everyone is having a great day. Police is literally on the corner, so let me just keep on my mouth and stop. 1 second. Take 2. Morning guys, I hope you all are doing well. It's Wednesday and I have a medical procedure to do. 1 second. I have a medical procedure to do. Jesus, please come out to the road. 1 second. Okay. Let's do this one last time. Guys, hi. Oh my god. Driving on the road to get to work is ridiculous. Alright, so I have a medical procedure tomorrow. I have to get a few things. I am really tired about it, but low-key just keep holding my cool because, you know, big girls do not cry. 1 second again, police is on the road. Me and this traffic and this road thing not going to work out. Bruh. And the police is like at every stop sign and stop light, and it's ridiculous. I'm trying to see the positive side of this because I don't really like surgery at all. I did surgery way back when and it was not a great experience for me. We do not recommend. 0 out of 10. But this time I'm a full-grown adult and I'm not looking forward to it, but looking forward to the positive side of it, which is I get time to just rest and relax while I recover, because I really need some rest. It's been a very stressful couple of months, but you know, God prevails and God allows you to get the strength to persevere, and that is what I am seeing right now. Because if I allow the stress to get the best of me, Alex is not gonna be a cute girl. I want to look forward to the weight loss because I don't know what's wrong with him, but I'm looking forward to the weight loss because, you know, you're not going to be eating the heavy food that you normally eat. So I plan to do smoothies and like soft food and everything that would help me lose some weight, because Christmas is coming around the corner and I am not going to not be able to fit into some of the dresses that I have planned to wear for the Christmas season. And you know, food have to eat, so I'm looking forward to that too for Christmas season. So like I said, I'm just looking forward to the positives. I know there are a lot of negatives for this surgery because, you know, the pain is going to be a thing, and to ensure that you heal properly, you can't do certain things. But alas, we press on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna merge this with the surgery day. I'm prepping for that, or maybe I'll just have a different video, but this would be prep for the surgery day. All right, so yeah, prep for the surgery day tomorrow. So this is pre-prep for the surgery. Yeah. Watch a movie and then I will go to my house and prepare for tomorrow. I really don't know how I feel, honestly, because I've had a pretty bad experiences with anything to do with my teeth. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling the day off. And I'm going to be miserable because I can't eat 6 hours before, but that's another situation in itself. So I'm on my way. Soon talk to you guys. Girl, you really gonna make the taxi man pass you? Girl, move up your car!
There you go, baby, está gustosa a mi lado, sabrosa y tan dulce como un mango. Una chica de Bahía con milagros, cantita bien caro. La baiela, brasilera canta a capela. Dime en portugués todo lo que quieras, yo te llego en cualquier manera. Semi-automatic, shoot my shot in verse until I had it. Pajama, she was cinematic. Speak to me in tongues like a fanatic. Yeah, she a fan of it. Me gusta bien caro, en un Ferrari bien caro, con mucho clase caro, con un estilo bien caro. Me gusta bien caro, en lencería bien caro, con un alma bien caro. Baby, yo sé que tú es caro. Ok, me dañaste todo de mi mente, soñando toda la noche de ti y tú solamente. Enamorado, eso se me dio, ay Dios. Perreando toda la noche